Google has ruled the internet for 25 years, but that era may be ending. What if I told you there's a new AI that might actually replace it? One that doesn't flood you with ads or links, but gives you answers. Real, cited, live data answers. And no, it's not ChatGPT. It's something faster, sharper, and maybe even smarter. It's called Perplexity AI. And it could be the most serious threat to Google's throne in decades. We've been trained to think search means Google. You type a question, hit enter, scan 10 links, maybe find the answer, maybe not. But what if search didn't mean searching anymore? What if it meant asking, and instantly receiving real answers? That's the promise of Perplexity AI. It's a new kind of search engine, powered by AI, fueled by real-time data, and designed to give you what you need without the noise. In this video, we'll break down why Google is vulnerable, what Perplexity actually does differently, and how it might change the internet forever. Let's start here. Google isn't bad, it's just bloated. Google's entire business is built on you not finding the answer too quickly. The longer you click, the more ads you see, the more money Google makes. It's designed to delay clarity. Ever search best laptops 2024? What do you get? Sponsored links, affiliate blogs with 20 pop-ups, YouTube videos with 60-second intros, Reddit threads that go off topic, conflicting opinions and outdated specs. You open 8 tabs, spend 15 minutes scanning and still unsure. It's not your fault, it's the system. Because for Google, the longer you search, the better. But for you, the user, that's wasted time and energy. People are tired. They want speed, simplicity, truth. Enter Perplexity. Perplexity AI is not your average chatbot. It's not just another ChatGPT clone, it's a conversational answer engine, built specifically for search. You ask it a question. It gives you a clean, summarized response, with links, with citations, with context, not results, not 12 tabs, answers. Here's how it works. Ask, what are the health benefits of cold showers? Instead of 20 articles, Perplexity gives you a bullet-pointed breakdown like improved circulation, reduced inflammation, increased dopamine levels, sources, Harvard Health, Medical News Today, peer-reviewed studies. You get the facts, not the fluff. It's like talking to a research assistant who's already read the internet and distilled it for you. Perplexity's answers are clear, referenced, and continuously updated from the live web. That's the game changer. So how is this possible? Perplexity combines the power of multiple AI engines, including OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's own Palm 2. But it's not just about models. It's about what it does with them. When you ask a question, Perplexity runs a live web search, parses the most relevant, trustworthy sources, uses AI to write a summary, adds clickable links to each claim, and offers follow-up questions, keeping the conversation alive. Unlike ChatGPT, which relies on its last training snapshot, Perplexity stays live, always reading, always learning. And that means accuracy. It means freshness. It means trust. It also remembers context. Ask a follow-up question like, what about for athletes? And it adjusts. It tailors the answer to your flow. It's not just reactive, it's responsive. So what can it actually do? Here are real-world examples, right now, with no plugins or subscriptions. One, students and researchers need sources for an essay? Perplexity summarizes academic studies, then links you directly to the journals. 2. Content creators looking for ideas? Ask Perplexity for trending topics, compare tools, or explore audience behavior, all from verified articles. Need quick info on a drug interaction or study? Just ask. Get cited results. No login, no delay. Ask for SWOT analysis on a company, market trends, investment breakdowns. Perplexity fetches the data and explains it like a consultant. Ask literally anything. From how does nuclear fusion work, to what is the healthiest type of bread. Perplexity delivers intelligent, organized, and sourced information, on demand. It's not perfect, but it's fast, accurate, and shockingly good. Now we get serious. Let's talk about Google's $200 billion problem. Google's revenue depends on you clicking things. Ads, shopping links, news articles. Every time you don't click, they lose money. Perplexity removes that need. No middlemen, no delay. You ask, it answers, and that's terrifying for Google. If even 5 to 10% of users switch over to Perplexity, Google loses billions in potential ad revenue. And the shift is happening faster than expected. Perplexity's traffic is growing. They've raised over $70 million. Their Chrome extension is exploding. And some users, especially students, professionals, and developers, have already made the switch completely. We're seeing the first cracks in Google's armor. Let's look ahead. What does search look like in 5 years? We'll likely see voice-powered AI that replaces typing, augmented reality overlays that show answers in real life, personalized, context-aware engines that understand your preferences, AI that reads the news before you even open a browser, tools that summarize your inbox, your schedule, and your life. Perplexity is just the beginning. Imagine combining it with Apple Vision Pro, smart earbuds, AI memory plugins, and secure personal data vaults. You walk around the world, and the answers come to you. Not because you searched, but because the machine knows what you need. That's where it's all headed. And it starts with tools like Perplexity. So, will Perplexity replace Google? Not tomorrow, not completely, but for more and more users, it already has. And once people experience it, they rarely go back. Google won the past, but Perplexity might win the future. And if you want to stay ahead of that curve, subscribe. Because AI isn't just changing tools, it's changing the way we think, learn, and live. And we're just getting started.